First year Logic and Philosophy का fifth unit Philosophy. Question number 1. What is philosophy? What is the etymological meaning of the word philosophy? Answer. The word philosophy is derived from two Greek words, namely number 1 philos and sophia. Philos means love and sophia means knowledge or wisdom. Full stop. So, etymologically, the word philosophy means love of knowledge. Philosophy is defined by different philosophers in different ways, but after analysis of all these definitions, we find that philosophy is a comprehensive study of life and the universe as a whole. It is an attempt to explain and appreciate life and the universe as a whole. Question number 2. What are the main branches of philosophy? The main branches of philosophy are number 1 epistemology, number 2 metaphysics, and number 3 axiology. Question number 3. What is epistemology? Question 1. What is the etymological meaning of the epistemology? The word epistemology is derived from two Greek words, namely episteme and logos. Episteme means knowledge and logos means science. So, etymologically, the word epistemology means science of knowledge. Epistemology is an important branch of philosophy. In fact, the branch of philosophy which is concerned with the nature, origin, conditions, limits, validity and sources of knowledge is called epistemology. Question number 4. What is metaphysics? Question mark. Write a short note on metaphysics. The word metaphysics is derived from two Greek words, namely number 1 meta and physica. Meta means after and physica means physics or matter. Thus, the word metaphysics literally means what comes after matter, or in other words, metaphysics is the science of reality which is lying beyond the world of matter. In fact, metaphysics is an important branch of philosophy. So, the branch of philosophy which discusses and tries to determine the real nature of the world, life and God, or absolute reality is called metaphysics. Full stop. It is the science of being or reality. Question number 5. What is axiology? The word axiology comes from two Greek words, namely axios and logos. Axios means value and logos means science. So, etymologically, the word axiology means science of value. The branch of philosophy which studies the different problems of value is called axiology. In fact, axiology is concerned mainly with the three ultimate or supreme values of life, which are truth, goodness, and beauty. So, logic, ethics, and aesthetics comes under axiology, as they are concerned with the values of truth, goodness, and beauty are respectively. Mention any 3 points of similarity between philosophy and science. Following are the 3 points of similarity between philosophy and science. Number 1. The common aim of both philosophy and science is to reduce a complex problem into its simpler elements and thereby bring it to the light of knowledge. Number 2. Both philosophy and science discover unity in diversity of facts and events and seek to give systematic and organized view of things. Number 3. In order to determine the truth of any conclusion, both philosophy and science depend on reason. Question number 7. Mention any 3 or 4 points of difference between philosophy and science. Following are the 4 points of difference between philosophy and science. Number 1. Science deals with the world of appearance only, whereas philosophy deals with both the world of appearance and the world of reality. Number 2, science deals with facts, whereas philosophy deals with value. Number 3, science is abstract in its result, whereas philosophy is concrete in its explanation. Number 4, the method of science is empirical and mainly deductive, whereas the method of philosophy is empirical as well as rational, deductive as well as inductive. Now, question number 8. What is the relation between philosophy and science? Discuss. Philosophy is the comprehensive study of life and the universe as a whole. First off, it is only studies the world of appearance but also the world of reality. First stop. While science is a systematic study of a particular department of the universe, it studies only with the world of appearance. In spite of that, there is a close relation between philosophy and science. The common aim of both philosophy and science is to reduce a complex problem into its simpler elements and thereby bring it to the light of knowledge. The scattered materials of common sense are organized by science. Again, philosophy combines the result of all these sciences and thus explains the connection of the different departments of the nature. Thus, from the above discussion, it is evident that philosophy depends on science for its materials and science depends on philosophy for its explanation. They both are complementary to each other. As Professor Ebner says, the science without philosophy are like an aggregate without unity. A body without soul and philosophy without the science is like a soul without a body.